show. This. Oh, sorry, it's going all crazy. Overdrive. Sorry.
Doesn't go anywhere except all over the place.
Sorry, I'm really sorry. So we're gonna be back on the helicopter. On Nick helicopter. Coming up, overdrive. And this is a helicopter. That is nuts. This is the helicopter. It's going good. It's going good. It's going good. It's going good. Something bad's gonna happen. I know. I double know. So that was a tiny bit bad. Select if you like the shows on our channel. We are still on the helicopter. I don't know. We're still on the helicopter on this channel. The helicopter is going to be on all day except from in 15 shows. So now we're going to be watching the helicopter again on Nick helicopter. Something bad just happened. It crashed. Watching the helicopter. Something bad might happen in a minute because okay. Now we can't see it because it disappeared. And it just smashed. The helicopter exploded. So that's what happened. It exploded. But suddenly, it got back together. Cosmocom. Oh, it's happening again. It's going up. Going up. Oh. Oh no. Is still alive. It just broke a wing and the back. Now it's fixing. Now the helicopter's back. It's just fixing up a little bit more. So, I want you to know.
What's the missile?
So we lost the little missile. That's our helicopter. And that's our enemy.
watching this show, it will not terrify them. Ooh, ha, 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 ha.
Well, I don't know where it went.
Dad,
You're
Carry-
down to 2 now.
carry on. Carry on.
What?
So we're back on the show. It's gonna fly and crash. Smash! It went overdrive!